Now this is an interesting problem to solve. We have to find x where the equation given is if 2 into square root of x into 4 to the power x plus 5 into 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 into square root of x equal to 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 plus 5 into square root of x plus 2 to the power x plus 4. Find x. Let's get started. Now we have over here 4 to the power of x. Now this can be further simplified into the exponent of 2. Same over here as well. This 4 can also be simplified as 2 to the power, because we see here that we have 2, we have x, we have 5, we have again 2, 2, x. So 2, 5 and x seem to be common. So let us try to bring everything in terms of 2, 5 and x wherever possible. Okay, now this gets simplified to 2 into square root of x into 2 to the power of 2 whole raised to x plus 5 into 2 raised to x plus 1 plus 2 into square root of x equal to 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 plus 5 into square root of x into 2 to the power x plus 2 square. Now if you see, everything has one 2 in common. There is a 2 here, there is a 2 here, there is a 2 here, 2, 2 and 2. So what we can do is we can probably reduce 1 2 here. We can divide this entire equation by 2. Then what would we get? So this 2 gets cancelled. We have square root of 2 into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2x will be converted to 2 to the power of 2x. 2 to the power of 2 whole raised to x is getting converted to 2 to the power of 2x plus 5 into, now since we are going to remove 1 2 here, we are dividing it by 2, so we will not have x plus 1, it will just be x plus 1, it will just be x. So 5 into 2 to the power of x plus, now this 2 again gets cancelled, so we'll just have square root of x equal to, here we have 2x plus 2, it will now be only 2x plus 1 because we are dividing it by 2 plus 5 into square root of x into 2 to the power, here we have 2 to the power x, so this will become 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power 2 will become 2 to the power 1, so which is 2. So this is now a simplified version of the given equation. Now if we see here, we have root x in quite a few places, root x, square root of x, square root of x. So let's try to bring the square root of x terms to one place and everything else to the other side. So left hand side will have the root of x terms and the right hand side will have all the other terms which do not have square root of x as one of the elements. So square root of x into 2 to the power of 2x plus we have this, so square root of x, and then we bring this element over here, so it becomes minus 5 into square root of x into 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals 2 to the power of 2x plus 1, then we have this term plus 2, and we will have to move this term to the right, so minus 5 into 2 to the power of x. So now square root of x is common, then we have 2 to the power of 2x plus square root of x into 1 is square root of x minus 5 into 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals, now here on the right hand side we have 2 as common, So we can take 2 outside. Then we have 2 to the power of 2x, 2 ones are 2, minus 5 into, so here we have 2 to the power of x. So inside the bracket, if we have 2 to the power of x minus 1, then 2 into 2 to the power of x minus 1 will then be equal to 2 to the power of x, right? So now if we try to equate the left hand side and the right hand side, we see that 2 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 5 into 2 raised to x minus 1 is the same as 2 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 5 into 2 raised to x minus 1 on the right hand side. So this gets cancelled out. So what we have is square root of x equal to 2, or once we square both sides, we get x equal to 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. This is the value of x. So while this may seem to be complicated looking at the big equation with x power half and 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 etc., but when we try to simplify them, trying to find out the common terms, it gets simplified, and we have a very quick way of solving this. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any other questions on quadratic equations, real numbers, or any other subject or any other topic, please post them in the comment section so that I can create a video on the same. All right, let's connect again in the next problem solving video. Have a great time. Thank you. Bye.